face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. Namaskar, dear students. Welcome to you all to our English class of grade 2. I hope you are doing well and ready for our today's class. Are you ready? You have to be ready with your English book of grade 2, your exercise book, pencil and some notebooks. Okay, some other necessary materials like color pencils or crayons. Okay, you have to be there with these materials. I hope you are ready. Are you? Very good. If you are ready, we are going to start our today's lesson. That is new lesson. Do you know about it? Which lesson? This is lesson 6 from me and my family. What is there? What we are going to discuss here? Let's guess, okay? I have just presented a rhyme here. I hope you guess the topic with this rhyme too. What we are going to discuss today, okay? That is from lesson 6. I have given you some clues to guess, okay? So, before starting, I want to show you what I am doing here and you have to answer me, okay? Are you ready? Okay. Now, tell me. Listen to me first and I am going to ask, okay? I am combing my hair. I am combing my hair. What are you doing? I am combing my hair with this comb. What are you doing? Are you combing your hair too? Okay, good. So next, tell me. Look at me and I am just trimming my nails. I am trimming my nails. What are you doing there? This is nail cutter. I am trimming nail with this nail cutter. What are you doing? Do you have a nail cutter there? And do you trim your nails with a nail cutter? Do you trim your nails regularly? Very good. I trim my nails once a week. I trim my nails once a week. Do you do so? Very good. If you do so, it is very good idea. So, I comb my hair regularly. Means daily. I comb my hair regularly. I comb my hair daily. Do you comb your hair regularly? Very good. We should comb our hair regularly. Okay. And what do you do before and after meal? What do you do? I wash my hands with soap and clean water. With soap and clean water. I wash my hands. I wash my hands properly. Okay. I wash my hands before and after meal. What do you do? Do you do so? Of course, we should wash our hands before and after meal. Very good idea. Okay, now tell me, what are you going to discuss today? Today, we are going to discuss about the idea to keep our body clean. Okay, now can you tell me the topic? You can also look at your book. That is lesson 6. Okay, that is lesson 6. I take care of my things. Where is it in your book? I think it is in page number what? What page number? Can you tell me? Page number 29. Is it so? You have already studied it. So today we are going to study from page number 31. That is lesson 6. You can look here, page number 31, That is lesson 6. Today we are going to study from here. You have already studied from 31. So, we are going to start from page number 32. Before starting from page number 32, I want to ask you some questions from page number 31. Are you ready? Okay. Now, tell me, there are different pictures in your book. Tell me, what should we do to keep ourselves healthy? What should we do? How do you take care of your body? You have already learned. Yes, we need to have proper rest. We need to have proper rest. We need to comb our hair. We should trim our nails. Yes, we should take bath regularly. Yes or no? We should do different activities to keep ourselves clean, to keep ourselves healthy. Yes. So, last day you discussed about these activities. Today we are going to start from page number 32, ask and answer. We will play the role of these people there. Okay. Page number 32, ask and answer. You can see there. I will show here too. You can also see here. Ask and answer. For this, we have to play the role of these people. Okay. First of all, look at the picture. What can you see here? What is the girl doing? She is a cute girl, yes or no? What is she doing? She is combing, yes? She is combing her hair like me. Yes, she is combing, yes or no? Very good. Now, let's see. What is she saying? Hi, I am combing my hair. What are you doing? What are you doing there? She is combing her hair. Are you combing your hair? What are you doing? Do you comb your hair regularly? Of course, we do. We should comb our hair regularly. Yes or no? So, she says, hi, I am combing my hair. What are you doing? She says, yes. Next picture. Look at the picture. What can you see here? What is the lady doing? You can see a tap there. What can you see? A tap there. And she just, what is she doing? Look here. Water is flowing there. Yes or no? And what is she doing? Let's see. What does she say? Let's see. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands, she says. What is she doing? She is washing her hands. She is washing her hands with soap and water. Yes? Okay. Next one. You can look here. Look at the next picture. You can also see there. What is she doing? She is doing the same thing. Yes or no? Are these pictures similar? Are these pictures similar or not? You can see they are similar picture. Yes? And she says, hi, I am washing my hands. What are you doing? What are you doing there? Are you praying? Are you washing your hands? Are you studying? What are you doing there? I hope you are studying there. Yes or no? So, do you wash your hands regularly? Do you wash your hands before and after meal? Of course, we do. Yes or no? I do. I hope you also do so. You also wash your hands with soap and water to be clean before and after meal also, and after going to toilet also. We should wash our hands regularly, time to time. Yes or no? Okay. So, she said so. Hi, I'm washing my hands. What are you doing? She is asking us. Yes or no? Okay. Good job. Let's see next picture. What can you see there? You can see. What can you see there? You can see toothbrush there, and he has a toothpaste. He has a tube of toothpaste in his hand. Yes or no? And what is he doing? He is brushing his teeth. He is brushing his teeth. Yes? Okay. Then what does he say? Let's see. I am brushing my teeth. The boy says, I am brushing my teeth. What is he doing? Can you tell me? Of course, he is brushing his teeth. Yes? What do we need to brush our teeth? We need toothbrush and toothpaste. Yes? Do you brush your teeth regularly? We should brush our teeth twice a day. In the morning, in the evening. Yes? We must brush our teeth twice a day. Okay? It is good for our health. Okay. So, he says, I am brushing my teeth. Okay, next. Okay, I hope you got the idea what they are doing is. Now, we are in next activity, that is learn the words. Learn the words. This is also on page number 32. You can see there, page number 32. Learn these words. For these words, first of all, I'll show picture. Then, by looking at the picture, you have to tell me what is this, what is happening there. Yes? Okay. Now tell me what is happening here. What is the man doing? Look here. He has a broom in his hand. This is broom and this is dustpan. What is the man doing? He is cleaning. He is cleaning the floor. Yes? Okay. Now this is related to cleanliness. Okay? We are going to learn the words. This is related to cleanliness. Okay? Cleanliness. What do you mean by cleanliness then? You can see here, to clean, to remove dust is cleanliness. Yes or no? I am also giving you the meaning. Okay? You can see the meaning here. Cleanliness means what? The man is cleaning means he is removing the dust, removing the filthy things or removing the unwanted things. Yes or no? So, this is related to cleanliness, being free from dirt. Cleanliness means being free from dirt. Cleanliness, to be cleaned. Yes or no? To make clean. This is cleanliness. Yes? Now, I am going to show you another picture. You can see here another picture. Okay. What can you see here? What is the man doing? He is just sleeping. He is having rest. He is having rest. Means this is the time. This is the time for him to rest. Yes or no? Free from work. Rest means R-E-S-T. Rest means, what do you mean by rest? Rest means free from the work. It means time off without having any work. Rest. Completely rest. Okay. He is having rest completely. Yes or no? Okay. I'll show you another picture. Can you see here? What are they doing? They are moving their body parts. They are stretching their body parts like that. They are stretching their body parts. Yes or no? Sometimes we run, sometimes we jump, sometimes we play. This is, what is this? This is exercise. Okay? This is exercise. Exercise means E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Exercise means, what do you mean by exercise? Body movement. Exercise means body movement. Yes, they are stretching their body, they are doing like this, okay? They are stretching their body, they are moving their body parts. So this is body movement. This is exercise, okay? I'll show you next picture. You can see next picture here. What is this? Can you make a guess? What is the picture about? Look here. You can see different things there, different food items there, yes or no? You can see different food items. What food items can you see here? You can see different vegetables, fruits, then food, bread and other things, yes or no? And fish, meat, milk, so many things. So this is related to balanced diet. Balanced diet. I hope you are telling with me. I'll repeat this once more later. This is balanced diet, okay? Balanced diet. Balanced diet means food containing all the necessary nutrients for human. Food that contains all the necessary nutrients, vitamins, then vitamin, carbohydrate, protein, all the things, okay, including all the nutrients needed for the human body. That is balanced diet, okay, balanced diet. I'll show you next picture. What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? Can you see here? What is the boy doing? The boy is taking bath. Yes. So, this is take a bath. This is take a bath, yes. The boy is taking a bath. You can see here, take a bath, yes. Take a bath means clean the whole body. The boy is cleaning the whole body with soap and water. Do you take bath regularly? I take bath regularly. I hope you also take bath regularly. Take a bath regularly. Do you take a bath regularly or not? Of course, you must do it, okay? You should take a bath regularly, okay? Now you can see here, different types of fruits and vegetables, yes? You can see here, different types of fruits and vegetables. What can you see? Different types of fruits and vegetables. You can see different vegetables like onion, capsicum, tomato, yes, and here are different fruits, apples, bananas, watermelon, grapes, so many types of fruits and vegetables, yes. So, you can, this is vegetable. Vegetable, I think you can see. Okay, look here, we had written here, take a bath means clean whole body. The spelling of whole is wrong here, so I am going to correct it, okay. W-H-O-L-E, whole, okay. W-H-O-L-E, whole. So, whole body, clean whole body, okay. Clean whole body. Take a bath means clean whole body, yes. Now, let's read from the beginning again. Cleanliness. Follow me, okay. Look at a book. You can also look at your book. The pictures and the words are given there. Cleanliness means, what do you mean by cleanliness? Cleanliness means being free from dirt. Being free from dirt and germs, different unwanted things, yes or no? Okay, And next word, look here, what are they doing? They are stretching their body. So this is exercise, okay? This is exercise. Sometimes we run, sometimes we play. This is exercise, okay? Exercise. Exercise means body movement. Follow me? Exercise. Exercise, okay? Exercise means body movement, okay? And next word, balanced diet. Balanced diet means, you can see here different food items, yes or no? So, balanced diet means food containing all the necessary nutrients for humans. Different types of foods. We need different food. We need fat, we need different vitamins, we need different nutrients, okay? There are carbohydrates, protein, fat, yes or no? So, here we can see the things containing all the needed substances, needed nutrients, okay? So, this is balanced diet. Follow me once more, balanced diet, okay? Balanced diet means food containing all the necessary nutrients for humans, okay? Next one, take a bath. You can see the picture here. Take a bath means clean the whole body. Yes, clean whole body, take a bath. Tell me once more, take a bath. Take a bath means clean whole body, okay? Now you can see next picture here. You can see different vegetables there, different types of vegetables. So, this is vegetable. Vegetable. Follow me. Vegetable. Good. Vegetable means a plant or a part of plant used as food. Vegetable means part of plant or plant. Yes or no? We use capsicum. This is a part of plant. We use carrot. This is a part of plant. This is root. Yes or no? This is fruit. So, different parts of plants are used as food. So, they are known as vegetable. We eat cauliflower. This is flower. We eat flower of a plant. This is cauliflower. Yes or no? So, vegetable. This is vegetable. Tell me once more. Vegetable. Good. Vegetable means a part of a plant or a part of plant used as food. I hope you got the idea about these words. Okay, matching activity. You can see the pictures. We have just discussed the pictures. The same pictures are given here and same words are given. They are given for you to match. Match the correct words with their pictures, okay? Exercise. Read the words first and match. Exercise. Which picture is related to exercise? Is this related to exercise? No. The man is cleaning. So, is this related to exercise? Of course not. The man is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. Yes or no? And is this related to exercise? Of course, this is related to exercise because they are stretching their body parts. This is body movement. Yes or no? So, match here exercise with this picture. Next one, cleanliness. Cleanliness. Which picture is related to cleanliness? Is this? No. This is related to cleanliness because he is cleaning here. Okay. So, cleanliness. Next one, rest. This is rest. Good job. Next one. Now, take a bath. Which picture is related to take a bath? Take a bath. Is this related to take a bath? No. Is this? Yes. Take a bath. Next one. Vegetables. Which picture is related to vegetables? Is this picture related to vegetables? No, because there are not only vegetables, there are different things, fruits, vegetables, milk and different things there. So, vegetables, you can see vegetables here, yes. So, match here. Balanced diet, balanced diet. This is balanced diet containing all types of foods. Yes or no? So this is balanced diet. Okay, we did matching, we learned the words. So we are going to write something from page number 34. You can see page number 34. How do you write? Okay, how do you take care of your body? Write 5 sentences. Now you have to write 5 sentences to take care of your body. Can you tell me orally, how do you take care of our body? We learned different activities here too. In previous ask and answer also, previous activity ask and answer also, we learned different activity like combing hair, brushing teeth, yes or no, cleaning, different types of activities we learn. So you have to write 5 sentences to about the ways to take care of our body. Now we are going to do writing activity that is given on page number 34 of your English book. You can look there. I am going to write some sentences here. You can also write in the same way. Okay. Now I am going to write some sentences here. Okay. Now look here. You can also write there in your book. Okay. Given on page number 34. We should, what should we do to keep our body clean? We should take bath, we should brush our teeth, we should wash our hands, yes or no? So, we should write, we should take a bath regularly. We should take a bath regularly. Then what should we do? We should, number 1, number 2, we should what? We should comb our hair, yes or no? We should, I hope you know to write in 4-line paper. We should comb our hair. We should comb our hair. And what other things should we do? We should comb our hair, we should trim our nails. Yes, I'll write one more sentence and you have to write others yourselves, okay? We should trim our nails. What should you do? I'll show you more activities to take care of our body. You can write by looking here, okay? What should you do? Let's read, okay? We should take a bath regularly. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should comb our hair. We should trim our nails every week. We should wash our hands with soap and water before and after meal. What should you do? These are the ways to keep our body clean, to take care of our body. You can write all the sentences. This will be your homework. Now, last activity is given there, drawing, that is drawing. I hope you are ready for drawing there. You can look at the book given on page number 34. Draw the picture of a food item that you eat at your home. Okay, I'll write only one picture. You can draw different food items. Okay, I'll draw only one picture as example. For others, you have to do. Okay. Okay, I'm going to draw here an apple. Okay, how do you draw an apple? You can draw an apple in this way also. You may have different way also. So this is an apple. We can color here. We can color here. Okay, a red juicy apple. Yes or no? You can see here red and juicy apple. You can draw. You can draw different food items that you eat at your home. You eat different food. Yes or no? Rice, curry, bread, different food items and different fruits also, milk also. You can draw yourselves. Okay, this is drawing and coloring. This is your work. I hope you got the ideas to write the ways to keep our body clean, and you learned some words today. Yes or no? And you learned some words, they are related to cleanliness, to keep our body clean. Yes, I hope you got the idea. You got the idea for today's lesson. You got the ideas about today's lesson. Today's lesson was related to take care of our body. We learned different things. So, your home assignment is to write all the sentences, to write 5 sentences about the ways to keep our body clean and to draw some food items that you eat at your home. I have done some as example. You have to do all, you have to complete it. Okay, that is given in your book. This much for today. We will see you in our next classes. Have a good time. Bye-bye.